In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a meeting with Cisco Webex. If you've been invited to a Webex meeting and you have the meeting number or access code, the process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. Begin by opening the Webex Meetings app on your device. If you don't have the app open, you can also go directly to the Webex sign-in page in your web browser. Either option will let you join the meeting, so use whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're on the app or web page, look for the search field or entry bar labeled Enter Meeting Information. This is where you'll type in the details provided in your invitation. Take a moment here to make sure you're entering the correct information, since even one wrong digit can stop the meeting from loading properly. Next, type in the 9-digit or 10-digit meeting number, sometimes also called the access code, exactly as it appears in the invitation. Enter the full number carefully and double-check it before moving on. After that, if the system asks for a meeting password, enter it in the password field. This password is usually included in the invitation and helps keep the meeting secure. Be sure to type it exactly as provided, including any capital letters or special characters if required. When everything is entered, click Join. This will take you to the preview screen before you enter the call. On this screen, you can usually confirm that you're connecting to the correct meeting and prepare to join. That's it. By opening Webex, entering the meeting information, adding the password if prompted, and selecting Join, you'll be ready to access your meeting quickly and smoothly.